Affected spruce trees also call on the beetle's predators.
Anything there? Anything here?
The three-toed woodpecker is an outstanding bark beetle hunter. It can consume 2,000
I gotta
beetles
give
a
this
day.
to my baby.
The larvae are its favorites, especially when it has hungry offspring.
I hear you. Oh, yes. I want to go in there as well. Come out, excuse me. Okay. I'm the same bird that already came in. I just have more larvae in my mouth. Come out. I'm going to give it to my baby. How you like that?
It's a prime example of the complex, delicate balance of life and death in the forest. The greater the invasion of bark beetles, the more three-toed woodpeckers will breed. If the bark beetle infestation drops, the population of breeding woodpeckers will also decline.